Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix screen won't turn off while charging on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's start. So you can see I have only set a screen timeout of 15 seconds, but even after that the screen is not turning off. It's just went dim. Okay, let me show you my screen timeout setting. Okay, let me tap on display. You can see screen timeout is set to 15 seconds, but even after that it's not turning off my screen. So to fix it, just open your settings app and then scroll down to developer options and then tap on it, and then come to stay awake, this option. So when it's turned on, screen will never sleep while charging, so we need to turn it off. So just tap on this toggle button to turn it off. Let me tap on it. You can see it's now turned off. And now depending on the screen timeout setting you have, after that your screen will be turned off. Okay, so I have 15 seconds, so let me wait for 15 seconds. You can see screen is now turned off even when it's charging. So that's it. Please like, comment and subscribe for more videos.